मेन मोटो ऑफ इंग्लिश इज स्पीकिंग ना। स्पीकिंग ही तो है भाई। इंग्लिश अगर आपने सीखी कहीं पढ़ी, इंग्लिश आपको बोलना नहीं आया तो इंग्लिश पढ़ने से कोई फ़ायदा है?
स्पीकिंग ग्राम आप पूछ रहे थे व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स
इन इंग्लिश
ग्रामर
ग्रामर
ग्रामर आप
ग्रामर
अभी बोल रहे कि
ग्रामर इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश स्पोकन, क्योंकि
I
विदाउट ग्रामर
I came for the
विदाउट ग्रामर
spoken classes,
विदाउट
not
ग्रामर आई थिंक यू कैन नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग इन इंग्लिश स्पोकन, लाइक रीडिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, स्पीकिंग,
okay.
ऑल्सो राइटिंग। ठीक है, सो यू आर सेइंग दैट सर आई वांट टू लर्न from the intermediate level, not from the beginner level. Okay, no problem, no issue.
Actually, my placement came 2 to 3 months complete came in my campus, and I want my communication skill. I want my enhance my communication skill. That's why
No
I came
problem,
here.
no issue, no issue.
I don't need
I am
to
understanding your
write
situation.
and written grammar.
I am understanding your feelings and situation also. You are saying that sir, my main point is that ki I have to enhance my English spoken skill, not reading, writing, anything more. I am right?
Yeah.
This is the main scenario you are thinking in your mind right now, I think. So no issue. We are going step by step by the help of our book, which is on the starting by intermediate level.
Spoken में आप क्या करवाते हो ये बताइए.
In spoken we are giving you group discussions.
हाँ.
Like group discussion means like personality development, PD.
हाँ, GD मुझे चाहिए.
And also we are giving you hesitation removing skill, which is a very most important thing in English.
Okay.
You know, this is the main three things. These are the three pillars of English according to my mind. So first is removing hesitation skill, and second one is this personality development, and third is group discussion. ठीक है, so we are talking step by step by the conservation topics, like characters. Like if you are a teacher and I am a student, and also I am a teacher and you are a student, then we are conservating in each other day by day, per day. One session we are taking and discussing on the topic. This is the method of my intermediate level English spoken classes. So in the book which I will provide to you, there are 24 sessions. There are only 24 sessions. According to me, they will finished in only 1 month. So I will not getting your a lot of time. I am trying my best to as soon as possible fulfill and finished and completed your syllabus. This is my main scenario which are currently running in my mind. So tell me what you are thinking.
Actually, for group discussion, we need 5 to 6 students.
We will provide to you only 3 to 4 students.
Only 3 to 4 students.
Yeah, for group discussion.
How can we do group discussion? Only 3 to 4 students group discussion.
Possible, maybe possible, no issue. In Saturday we will give you a lot of students, like 30 students, 20 students, or also 15 student and 10 student in Saturday's batch, which is not a small group discussion, which is a bigger discussion in Saturday, which is a weekly discussion. Daily discussion Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekly discussion is a very biggest in our institution. So this is the method of the teaching which we are applying in our institute.
And where are the remaining 4 students?
Sorry,
बाकी कहाँ हैं सर?
where are the students? They are on leave right now.
When they come?
In 1 to 2 or 3 days after, they will repeatedly join the class. They are restarting their class. In morning, Mr. Aman, Mr. Vishal, and Miss Abhigya are in the batch of English spoken, and in evening time Miss Nazrana and Miss Nazrana, Miss Anjali. I hope she is coming after some times to join our English spoken batch, and also two to three students also we are joining the new currently batches. Old students are many; their courses are completed right now. Before sometimes 1 to 2 days. So we will provide also to you online video lectures also free of cost in that fees, included in that fees. If you want to making the notes, then choice is yours. If you not want to make the notes, then there is no problem. You can handle the English syllabus by PDF, PPTs. सूरज जी, ये सेकंड वाली जो बटन है ना, इसको ऑन कर दो, फैन वाला सेकंड, नीचे से सेकंड, बस, थैंक यू. So have you any other query regarding this topic or this concept?
तो डेमो कैसे होगा फिर? डेमो कैसे होगा आज?
Demo. You can ask me any type of question and I will give you the answers, and if you not want to ask the questions from your side, then I will ask the questions from my side. This is the small demo. If you want to ask any type of question in English grammar, English language and English subject also, then you can ask with me right now. Then if you have not any type of question to asking with me, then I have several questions for you to discussion on that topics. My means is that not ki I want to judge your knowledge. This is not my means. My means is that I want to ask some questions. In that questions I have taken the topics, then we will discuss on that topics. This is the main point. Understand? So if you want to asking any type of question, then please ask me. I am ready to give the answers of your questions. If you have no questions, then I will ask the questions. No questions? Okay. Tell me something about yourself. This is the first point in English spoken section. When you are going to face any type of a company's interview, like MNC multinational companies, like private limited company, like public limited company, like limited liability partnership, like proprietorship, like sole proprietorship, like individual firm, like NGO, like trust, etc. Then you have to face the interview, which is in English. And first question was that कि tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sir.
या फिर introduce yourself. So tell me something about yourself loudly and in the speed of slow version.
My name is Sumit Kumar, and currently I'm doing post-graduation diploma in management from NIT Business School in the specialization of finance and operation.
Very
And
good.
I have completed my bachelor's in accounts from Patna University, Bihar.
Very
And
good.
I belong to Bihar. Basically, I belong to Bihar, Patna. And I recently completed my internship with Agile Capital Services, situated in Delhi, Betulpura, where I had the opportunity to apply my academic knowledge to the real world finance challenges. And during my internship, I also developed financial analysis, due diligence, or investment opportunity and risk management. And I also prepared for three financial model in three statement financial model for Tata Motors, and DCF models for startup company, which enhance my analytical and problem solving skills. This especially in the area like risk management and investment strategy and this. And beside my academics, I also involved in like preparing charts, stocks, watching stocks movements,
Okay.
and I like to play cricket and reading novels in my free times. And that's all about me.
Thank you. So you are saying that ki sir, I listen your words very carefully and very properly, and I am thinking, and in my mind there are some questions regarding your introduction. So my question is that you are saying that ki sir, I have the interest in reading novels. I am right?
Uh,
You are interested in reading novels. So tell me the very popular novel in India. What is the name of the very popular novel in India?
Very popular novel in India.
Yeah,
Uh,
tell me someone.
Actually, I read some novels like Gulliver Travels. This is one of my favorite one. Gulliver Travels. So yeah, Rich Dad Poor Dad. The another one, and how to convert yourself in a hard time. This one is this. These
Okay.
are the three novels that I read.
Okay. So you are saying, sir, I have interested in novel reading, and you are saying that the famous novel name. You are giving some examples, several examples, and several examples, and one of the most is Rich Dad Poor Dad. I am right.
No, I say
Rich Dad Poor Dad is the example of novels. Yes or no?
yeah, it's
Yeah.
one.
Okay. So tell me the brief story of Rich Dad and Poor Dad.
Brief story.
The
It's a
brief
long
story.
story. I just not covered it all.
Okay. So you can in short में you can tell me in short the
There are the
story
various methods to
step by
enter.
step, slowly
Actually,
slowly.
I summarized all the.
Okay. All the characters in the story.
There is no characters in this
There is
novel.
no character.
It's a strategy to reach how to make it
How to become rich.
how to become rich and how to enhance your wealth.
Well, absolutely right. So tell me.
There is a few strategy to enhance your wealth. The one is saving.
Wow. I am very excited to listen your words. So tell me.
You should keep your money. You should utilize your money in that investment which grow money.
Okay.
It's a very beautiful quote that money grow money.
Money through money.
Money grow money. If
Okay.
you invest money in that company which give you more profit, then invest there.
Okay.
And another strategy is there is actually it's not a strategy. It's a thought of the writer that you should not doing a job and you should not limit your desire, or you should apply every opportunity to grab grab your opportunity to every situation
Every situation.
to grow money. These are the things.
You are
I just-
saying two strategies only.
I just go through with the book. I didn't doesn't complete.
Okay,
all.
you are only go throwing the book, not summarize properly, carefully,
No.
and disciplinedly and punctually. You are only out of the syllabus. You have the knowledge of the Rich Dad Poor Dad. So no issue, little knowledge, but this is enough for you.
What I get from this book, I just
Okay, I just read only. Okay, so you are saying that, sir, I have done my master in marketing and finance,
postgraduate.
Postgraduate.
Diploma in management.
postgraduate in which branch?
Diploma in management.
Diploma in management and finance. Yeah, only
Specialization.
specialization is finance.
Finance and operation.
Finance and operation. So I have a question for you. Ki what is the difference between finance and operation? What is the difference between finance and operation?
Finance is a part of finance. Is just recording, summarizing, analyzing the money in the organization, where the money comes and where the money to invest. That is the finance.
And what is
And
operation?
Operation means it's a logistic
Logistics part.
operation is a part of logistic where how to collect the raw material and how we convert raw material into finished goods and how this finished goods convert in a money to sell this finished goods to the customer. That whole the process is operation.
Very good. Okay, this is the basic difference between finance and operation. So, where are you from?
I'm from Bihar,
Bihar. And which district?
Patna.
Patna. So, what is the most popular three things in the Bihar Patna?
Nalanda University,
Okay,
Golghar,
okay,
and Gaya. Gaya.
Gaya. So,
Place.
you are saying that, sir, Nalanda University and Gaya and
Golghar is
Okay.
Patna side.
okay,
It's also a popular place.
okay, okay.
Visit.
So, Gaya, why the famous is Gaya? In which
Gaya.
thing? What thing?
Gaya is famous for a place where both Gautam Buddha,
Great
they-
Gautam Buddha.
Great Gautam Buddha, know the क्या बोलते हैं उसे पूरी
You are using Hindi word.
actually
If we are talking in English, then you cannot use any kind of any Hindi word. Only use English word. This is the main thing of intermediate level English spoken session.
where we know the real truth of life.
Absolutely right. So, what is the real truth of life?
The real truth of life is every person not an immortal. He's or he need to die at the end of his life, and he came here to do a particular work, and after finishing the work, they remove from the life. They exit from the world. That is the
Okay.
life.
So, I have only two last and final questions from your side. So, tell me the most important happiness incident in your life till right now.
That what is
Happiness
what
and
is my
also
memorable day in my life?
also you can say. Also you can say.
Actually, the day when
The day when you are
I passed my 10th exam. That
Okay.
is my memorable
memorable
day.
day.
Where I got 84%.
Wow, very good.
And that day is my very happiest day in my life.
Great.
And after 12th is after 12th I cracked my CPT exam,
Okay.
CPT exam, and I also scored good in my entrance exam, college entrance exam. These are the days where I feel that I am the happiest person in the world.
Wow, so beautiful. Amazing. Gorgeous. And this memorable day in your life right now?
I don't know. talk-
You don't know.
I don't
This is
talk-
not possible.
I don't talk about that day. I'm not interested to
Tell something to
anything-
anyone.
Anything about.
No issue, no issue. I will not pressurize to you that you will tell me the sad incident in your life. I will not pressurize you. So don't worry, be happy. So, okay. So, if you have any query regarding this session, this complete session, then you can ask me any type of a question. Our session is going like this. This is the demo. This is the demo. We are not doing any kind of any different thing. Only talking, you and me and you, day by day and per day. This is the intermediate level, my learning strategy. Nothing else. This is the demo. Nothing else. So, nice to
I
meet
have
you.
a-
हाँ
I
हाँ
have a query. Why should you make video?
for future purpose.
What purpose?
Purpose is that then next day someone is coming to ask me, sir, I want to a demo. Then I will share this video for that person. So this is a very plus point for me.
Actually, my voice also captured on this video.
Absolutely, absolutely.
This is the not right thing to take video.
You
without
are not
any
you are
consent.
not sharing any confidential data in this video, so we can publish only on educational purpose, not any other purpose, only educational purpose. By the Copyright Act of the India and the Constitution of India, we can publish any video on the behalf of education to learning, teaching and reading, speaking, this scenario. So now we are completing our session, so thanks for meet with you, Mr. Sumit ji. Wish you well. Thank you.